Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know anything about? Have you ever heard the name Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah. From where Conscience.
Conscience. Oh, right.
Demarco.
Oh, you know Demarco? Oh, Demarco. Oh, Conscience Demarco. Who else do you know?
Yes.
Who else?
Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel.
Cartel.
In fact, now instead of giving him 70, instead of giving you 70, I'm gonna double that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you 140.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Vibes Cartel. Who else?
Yes.
Yeah. Who else do you know in Jamaica?
Shensia.
Who else?
Yes. I know Popcorn.
Yeah.
Oh.
Popcorn.
This is a continuation of yesterday when we were trying to showcase the similarities between Jamaica and Africa, to be specific, Kenya. Now this was motivated when my sister visited the Emancipation Park in Jamaica. And the similarities we're trying to compare, not in a negative way, but to just show some similarities between our Kenyan country and Jamaica. This is a sign of love and appreciation.
So this is the end part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the end part of the Uhuru Park Gardens in Kenya.
Yep.
Yeah, so... Yeah, man. Yeah, you like Patwa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the way...
Patwa,
you know, the way Jamaican sound is one of the best, not even one of the best. I know we have got... But Patwa is very unique, man. Yeah. How they sound, the Jamaican accent, even when they speak English.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, when they speak English and when they speak Patwa. And now there's that part, English with a Patwa accent. There's a way you just fall in love with the way Jamaicans speak.
It's true, by the way.
Yeah, that's why sometimes when I say, yeah, man, guys, just feel it as a way of, appreciation. And we just want to, to imitate Jamaicans because people have done it.
Yeah, it's true.
Davido.
In Kenya, there are people who literally speak. You would think they are Jamaicans. They have made a name and a living and so much money through acting like they are Jamaicans.
But not the good thing.
Yeah.
If a Jamaican listen to somebody who's a Jamaican speak Patwa, it's easy for them to because they know how the Patwa sounds.
There's a whole radio station that has been dedicated to the Jamaican.
To reggae music. Yeah.
And what's not.
Even before we used to have like a radio station known as Metro. Okay. Metro was basically a reggae station.
Oh, wow.
Ghetto Radio is also 80%. They play reggae. Yeah, and Jambo, the radio station you were in the last time, there is a reggae segment when Busi comes. Yeah. So this shows you how reggae has played a very big role. Yeah.
That place is actually really nice.
It's good.
Yeah, that's why I was like, tell us, I wanted to tell them what happens here most of the time.
Yeah.
So when politicians want to I just know it in Swahili, kuuza sera.
Manifesto. That time, yeah.
This is where they come in. Turn it like this. This is where they come in and they stand somewhere there and they speak to our people and tell them, if you elect me, I will do this. I will change the water situation. I will build the roads. I will do da. So most of the rallies
happen here. Yeah.
And guys, people just love their leaders and their politicians.
Yeah.
Because they're usually filled to the brim up to see that tree over there.
Yeah.
People go all the way up. And when people know that a particular leader is coming here for the manifesto and all that, they camp here.
Yeah.
They sleep here so that they do not get a spot. Reminds me of this thing that happens, the ball. Is it in New York where they fall, the big ball that they throw, like just countdown during the New Year's Eve?
Yeah.
So there are people who literally wear diapers and stay there for like more than 24 hours just waiting. So they can be in front of the line so that when the ball... Anybody who knows about what I'm talking about, because I have like nitty-gritties, and I can't quite put a finger.
Yeah.
So anybody who is from the United States and know what I'm talking about, please let us know in the comment section. But I know people go there and wait. I think it's around the New York Square, something like the Times Square. Or something. Yeah. Go there and just wait. And that's the same thing that happens. And also let us know, in Jamaica, do we have places like this, or in the rest of the world, depending on where you're watching from? Do you also beg your pardon, do you have places that people come and wait for manifesto, all right?
From leaders,
If so, how similar is it to this place? Do you see any similarity? similarity with this place? Is it so common? Is it so similar? If not, please let us know some of the things that are not quite similar.
Yeah. So it's a yeah.
I'm saying I want to show them some of the main changes that were made. I don't think when you were here the other time these ones were here. Yeah, they've even introduced like the lights. If you come here in the night.
Also at night it's more more
so beautiful,
conducive and the experience is good. Yeah.
Do you have any cash? So I want to buy ice cream.
You want ice? Maybe I can pay him with M-Pesa.
So as we were walking in the park, we met this vendor who is selling ice cream, and the man asked us, the kind of content we are doing. And we told him that we are comparing the Emancipation Park in Kenya with the Jamaican Emancipation Park. And he requested to be part of the video because he knows some Jamaican artists and he wanted also to address the Jamaican community. So we decided to engage him during the time that he was selling for us the ice cream.
So I'm total?
In Jamaica, there's something I tried.
Total 70? Yeah. Okay. So Sean, you can show them I'm paying with the M-Pesa again. Yeah, so I'm just gonna send him funds. He's gonna give me his phone number, then I'm gonna send him funds.
Yeah, mobile money.
So just put for me your phone number there. So total is 70. Still not even. You can see a police car passing over there.
Before they call us.
All right.
No, people.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah. Do you know anything about? Have you ever heard the name Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah. From where Conscience.
Conscience. Oh, right.
Demarco.
Oh, you know Demarco? Demarco. Oh, Conscience Demarco. Who else do you know?
Yes.
Who else?
Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel. In fact, now instead of giving him 70, instead of giving you 70, I'm gonna double that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you 140.
Yes.
Yeah. Vibes Cartel. Who else?
Yes.
Yeah. Who else do you know in Jamaica?
Shensia.
Who else?
Yes. I know Popcorn.
Yeah.
Oh.
Popcorn. Yeah, Popcorn is the. You love them.
And there is a guy, I don't know if you know his name. He's called Usain Bolt. Where do you think he's coming from?
Jamaica, the fastest man.
The fastest man in the world. So the fastest man is from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt.
Yeah.
All right.
Would you love to go to Jamaica?
Yeah, I would like.
For real?
To go and meet Vibes Cartel.
All right, let me.
Jamaica.
Yeah, I'm gonna double it. Yeah, because.
Who's your favorite artist in Jamaica?
Who's your favorite artist?
Vibes Cartel.
Just put for me your number again.
You love him?
Yeah.
What is your favorite song?
Yes.
What's your favorite song of Vibes Cartel?
Or from
Summertime.
Oh,
I
Summertime.
don't know it. Can you sing it?
Good boy.
Just go ahead.
I don't know.
Just go ahead.
But I
Let me say it. Let me.
Summertime.
I think goodbyes. Summertime.
Summertime. And then there's a place.
Summertime.
And then it's also summertime. Summertime, let's take our ice cream. Summertime, let's give a So just put your number.
And you didn't even tell me your name.
Douglas.
Oh, Douglas.
Nice to meet you, Douglas.
Do you know of any reggae music? You've told me reggae artist.
Bob Marley.
No,
Yes.
Bob Marley is a reggae artist. I'm asking him reggae music. Do you know of any reggae artist? Oh, you said Bob Marley. Bob Marley is an artist. Oh, do you know of any reggae music?
Reggae music.
Yeah, any reggae song.
I know for the first time I step in.
And that's
In my.
that is Burning Spear, right?
Yeah, Burning
First
Spear.
time I step in and then.
For the first time
I don't know, but it sounds interesting.
And another song that you know.
Yes.
Another song that you know. Just put me a number. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was just
Chronics.
Chronics. Which song?
Charlie's.
Yeah, can you try it for us?
We are Rastaman party.
Okay, put the number first. Maybe you're gonna forget.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kupangya. Bazo one. touch your toes.
That is Demarco?
Demarco.
That's Demarco, right? You know when he said Demarco, I had Dimwango.
Okay.
Demarco.
Demarco? All right, so let me, because you've also made out there, I'm gonna.
Signal.
Ah, Busy Signal. Which song? Which song do you know of Busy Signal?
Black people.
Martin Luther
Black.
Hey,
Mountain and some black.
Yeah.
Hey, Barack Obama, black.
M-Pesa confirmed. You are Willie Kissa Diambo.
Yeah. And the first one went to?
Why are you Willie Kista?
Yes.
Why is your name Willie Kista?
Willie Kissa Diambo.
The first one.
Yes.
Yes.
0723.
Yeah.
Why are you Willie Kista?
Willie Kissa is a lady's name.
That's my wife.
Oh, so you trust her?
Wow.
Yeah.
She's done with receiving the money?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
And then she'll give you in the evening?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's really nice. That's really nice.
I got a friend of mine, selling ice cream.
Yeah.
And we decided to promote him, And then we just met like we don't know each other. And we tried asking him some reggae song, and he gave you some people and also let them know. So this is what I've always been talking about, And this is just to show, the influence that Jamaica has as a people. So those who are always saying, they're feeling bad, this is a reality. So we are also telling them that Jamaica still tops, right?
Yeah.
So, like before we go, what can you say to our Jamaican family?
We love you.
Yeah.
And all of you, welcome to Kenya.
So
Kenya is a very peaceful country.
So you welcome Jamaicans in Kenya?
Yeah.
So would you like them to come to Kenya, or you want Jamaicans to come to Kenya or Uganda or Tanzania? Where do you want them to come?
Here in Kenya.
So if they come to Africa, they come to Kenya?
Kenya.
We love their vibes, we love their people.
Yeah.
And how they speak, do you like how they speak?
Yeah.
How they speak?
Yeah.
So me people, you welcome in Kenya. We just met a friend of us, and because he gave us good vibes, he sold for us 70. We decided to at least, double it, right?
Yeah.
So my people or my person will talk later, right?
Yeah.
Right now we're still walking around Uhuru Park. Okay. Yeah, and we really love you. We appreciate what you're doing. We appreciate your hustle. Yeah, this is what he's doing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's selling ice cream, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we appreciate your hustle, man. Just keep going. Just like Conscious, whom you love, has sang a song. We are hustle, we are hustle, we are hustle, we are hustle, right?
Yeah.
Spanish town,
hustle, yeah.
So just continue hustling, my brother, and always, big yourself up, trust in God, and one day everything is gonna come, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Big up!
Yeah.
So we are still heading
It's
with.
good that we met. Okay, you're gonna check us on YouTube, African Walk.
Africa now.
Yes, I walk. Yeah.
Yeah, if you love,
Nice to meet you.
if you love stories about Jamaica, Caribbean, you can follow me, African Walk.
Yeah.
There you're gonna learn a lot.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
So we appreciate you, man.
Yeah, namda later Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel.
Yeah?
Vibes
What are you
Cartel is
asking?
supposed
You're
We
asking
want Vibes Cartel to come here in Kenya to perform.
to perform?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe if this reach him, I will
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
But you want him to come in Kenya?
Yeah, here in Kenya.
Vibes Cartel has a concert in Kenya anyway.
Not really.
Yeah,
it was
he
asked when
was
he's coming.
supposed-
When is that? It was asked and he said he'll come.
Yeah, it was supposed to be in 2025 this
I
year.
I
are
saw
probably
it
in the
on Nairobi
making.
Gossip,
Yes.
but they have not
Really?
said the month.
But the exact
it
date.
was in 2025.
Yeah.
So,
2025.
And even yesterday they posted a picture of him with one of the Kenyan dancers. So maybe there's
Yeah, there is a
something
Kenyan lady.
in line.
Yeah, there's a Kenyan lady
you're
working for
right.
Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a Kenyan lady working for her.
You're right.
Yeah.
It's gonna be massive.
Yeah.
It's gonna be big.
Yeah, it will
It's gonna be so big. When they drop.
Vibes Cartel will make a mark.
He's gonna make a mark.
Yeah, here in Kenya.
All right. Thank you, brother.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, asante. Yeah. So, you see, that is just somebody. I just saw it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is just a random person that we met, and he can, Sean. One thing that people should understand, the fact that you can meet a random person in Kenya, and at least he can tell you a few names of Jamaica.
Yeah.
It's not that we are always trying to exaggerate.
Yeah.
This is just to show the global, the global influence this country has. And it's time people to accept, what I normally say, that if you can't beat them, join them, because Jamaica has really influenced the world.
Yeah,
music, food, vibe, So it's something that you just accept,
True.
and learn their ways, Even in athletes, nobody will ever. There's a video I did and I said, nobody will ever, do what Usain Bolt did.
Yeah, it's true. 100%.
Yeah, and if somebody has to do it, he has to come to Jamaica.
It's true.
I mean, he has to come from Jamaica. Even no one lies the other time. He was given the 100-meter, you know. But if you look at the time record that he finished, it's not 9.58.
Okay.
Usain Bolt even broke his own record.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's time people to accept this country has got an influence, you know.
Yeah.
Instead of being bad-minded and feeling bad, oh no, my people. Just accept this country has done a lot and we are going to appreciate them.
It's true.
All right?
100%.
So normal this gani. Oh, that's so sweet and I never wanted it.
What do you guys think about this particular
Yeah, but I
place?
should wash my hand.
Because we've come to the
My hand is sticky.
the road,
Yeah.
you know, and this is how it looks like.
The Emancipation Park, Uhuru Park.
A big shout out to all of you guys
Yeah, yeah.
being with us, watching our video,
Yeah.
everything until the very end. Let us know what you people think of this particular place. Are there some similarities?
Yeah.
Are there some differences? You know, stuff like that.
Does it give you the vibe of home, you know?
Yeah. This
Yeah,
is
man.
called the city under the sun.
Yeah.
Robert, right?
City under the sun.
Yeah, it's called
Yeah.
the city under
Oh,
the
because
sun.
the open. Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, it's true. Even when you're coming from JKA and like when you're just getting into Nairobi, they say welcome to the city under the sun.
Oh, I was thinking that is your own word that you've called.
No. Nairobi is called the city.
The city under the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
There's some people like to call it the city that never sleeps.
Yeah.
But it's generally known as the city
Under the sun, yeah.
I feel like it's just an explanation
Yeah.
to just beautify it.
Ah.
Like you guys can see.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. We don't need those names.
Yeah.
It is. It's really beautiful. Look at this tree over here.
Yeah.
It looks like, for those who have watched The Lion King,
Ah,
looks like the one
yeah.
that they go and introduce Simba to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, and you love saying like, you
I
say?
love saying what?
Lion King. Yeah, you like
'cause
using
I've
that.
I've watched it.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
also, because I know it has the Kenyan heritage. Because if there's
Oh,
a country that I really
oh, Simba.
love, it's Kenya.
Yeah.
And I have never been ashamed to admit that I love Kenya so much.
Yeah.
So anything that reminds me of my home,
Yeah.
I need to talk about it. Because now the Simba.
Yeah.
The whole, in fact, the whole
Lion King concept.
King,
Yeah.
The first one, they had to come to Kenya.
Oh, yeah.
And Serengeti.
Oh, the first
Tanzania, yeah.
No, Serengeti is in Tanzania.
Yes,
But
they
basically,
came to Kenya
yeah.
and Serengeti. They came
Oh,
to
yeah, because
country.
Kenya, you see, during the wildlife
Yeah.
migration, they go to Tanzania. And yeah. So it's just
'Cause you know
more or
what
less the
was
same thing.
happening?
Yeah.
They were now moving away from cartoons, from animation, and
Yeah.
they wanted to make lions like realism now. They wanted, even if you watch the current lion, you'll see it's real lions talking.
Yeah.
So now they would only learn that by coming to interact with the real lions. And they wanted to like show us about the lions from East Africa, because that's
Yeah.
where the whole Lion King
Yeah,
came
like
from.
the Simba and the, yeah.
So they came.
Also, they came to Kenya?
They came to Kenya.
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah.
to Serengeti.
Okay.
So,
So-
that's also a chance for you guys to go and watch Lion King.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we've just come at the end of our video today, and we are trying to compare our Emancipation Park and the Emancipation Park in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So if you see any similarity, you know, you can tell us in the comment section. And as we always say, you know, just drop your flags, because we love those flags. So for now, my people, we say little more. We're gonna meet another time, and we're gonna give you more videos and more content. So guys, as you can see, this is the end, and everything is good. So we say little more. I'm out.
So this brings us to the end of showing you the Emancipation Park in Kenya. If there is any similarity from the first video to the second one, you can tell us at the comment section. We say in Patwa, Likol More.